Telegram allows you to connect with your friends and family. In this video, we will show you how you can convert text to speech using Telegram for free. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device and on the main screen of the app tap on Search button at the top. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for a bot called text-to-speech. Tap on the third option that appears in the results to start a chat with it. Telegram provides a huge number of different bots that allow the users to perform a variety of tasks for free. This bot uses AI to generate natural-sounding speech from the text that you enter in this chat. Tap on the Start button at the bottom to enable this bot. Tap on Menu button in bottom left corner. This menu contains different commands and their functions for this bot. Tap on this command to start. By default, Arabic is selected for the speech, and you can change it by tapping on this button. Tap on the language you want to use. Next, select a speaker and send the text you want to convert to speech in this chat. Your text will be converted to speech.